Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I thought I would do a little garden update video for you today. I haven't done one in a while. So as you can see, the garden's definitely filling out a lot more. My red bananas, my insettis are growing really well. The musabajus are, well they did, every time they seem to put out a leaf, we get a windy day and they get shredded. But I think that's just part of having banana plants. The Montbreach has gone absolutely mental. Got a little cat hiding under it. Having a mole. Are you hiding? Are you hiding? Little monkey. And a Washingtonia robusta. If you haven't watched my videos before, I will link them up here. A couple of months ago, I took these back to... I think I gave them a frond, like one full frond and one partly emerging one, but you can't even tell now that they were ever clipped, so that's good. The pups are looking nice. As you can see, I'm sort of, how tall am I? I'm 5'10", 5'11", and you're at head height now, so they're definitely quite big. And it'll be their first birthday on the 27th. I think we're on the 24th today, so let me just pan back and just show you. If I have got a photo of how small these musabajus were when I first bought them, I will pause this and insert that now. So I bought them on the 27th of May last year, and they've been in the ground since, I've got to think now, I think the 7th of May. No, not the 7th of May, sorry, the 7th of June they've been in the ground. So anyone that's looking to plant their first musabaju banana plant, that's what you can expect after a year. The lungwort is looking beautiful at the moment. All the flowers have come off that now, and all the ferns have come out. These pups are being dug up at the end of this week, and they are going to their new homes. And I did skip over this the other day, so I thought I would give a little more of an in-depth look on the... my brain always goes blank when I try and think of things. My angel wings. So since I've put this in the ground, this has absolutely exploded. I've actually taken off, I don't know if you can see, I did have another plant coming out this way, so I've taken that off and propagated it and put it out the front. And well, I've never done it before, but from what I've read and what I've watched, they are quite easy to propagate. You just cut it off at the base, put it in. They don't like to be in completely dry soil, but they don't like to have wet feet when they get new roots. So I've got one of those out the front, which is doing really well. And these, let me see without getting my hair in it. I don't know if you can see the texture. They're like felt. The most beautiful feeling. I could fall asleep on that. It's like, and underneath is even softer. It's absolutely beautiful. My Canna musifolia, see if I can zoom in. It's been attacked by the slugs, the little buggers. Croton's looking good. So what I'm going to do, when these go, I think it's raining tomorrow, so these will be dug up on Thursday. I'm filming this on Tuesday. So that croton will be put in the ground as soon as I move these banana pups. Let me see if I can get to the back where my fern is. And you can see how thick this... Am I still zoomed in? No, I'm not zoomed in. The fern is huge this year. Absolutely huge. And the fat sea japonica is looking really good over there. Still pushing out loads of new growth. The bananas have taken off on this side now. It took a bit of a while since I transplanted them for them to take off. But I've actually got 1, 2, 3, 4, clump of 4 there. So hopefully by the end of the summer they'll be looking lovely. It's just cats galore at the moment. And I'm starting to have proper leaves come out on my golden lotus banana now, which is good. I feel like I'm saying which is good a lot. And a lot of you probably didn't know that I've got a little fern inside my rose bush. And my canariensis, my Phoenix canariensis is doing really, really well. You can't really even see, well, you can see a little bit of damage from the winter, but I did just chop the ends off. What else haven't I covered? So, these, I had some last year of these Bacopas. This is a Bacopa Blue, like I think it's a Mega Copa, but these are sort of like trailing plants. I've got some pink ones, I've got some purple ones and some white ones, but they're really good for filling in gaps, a bit of ground cover, and if we'd have a nice mild winter and they're protected, they do come back the next year. My friend over the road, past the car park, she had some white ones and they've come back and she's just repotted them into a bigger pot this year. I've got my other little crotons over there. They've been outside for, I'd say, a week now, so they're absolutely fine. I've got my, I can never remember what this is, but this is in the shade at the moment because I've got a little bit sunburnt. But my colocasias are looking good. I've got the little thing, I can never remember what these are, but they have beautiful little yellow flowers. And my cool little blue things, I can't remember what they were called, but if you watched my garden centre vlog tour, you will know that I bought a really cool, fun looking blue thing. That just didn't flower very much. Well, it flowered and then that was it. So I've cut it back to the ground to see if it will flower again. And these colocasias are doing well, but everything keeps getting eaten by the slugs, which is annoying. What else have I got to show you? The roses are looking nice. Well, they are looking nice until the wind knocks all the heads off, but this is such a beautiful rose bush. Got some more crotons. Everything's just looking lovely. And my little experiment with my Monstera deliciosa, I came home last night from staying at my friend's house for the weekend with a newborn baby, and I came to check on this before I went to bed, and I found this on the floor, which is really annoying because it had just pushed out that leaf, and I thought, oh, brilliant, it's going to look lovely, and the slugs have eaten the stem of it, which is really annoying. But I've still got this one left to come out, so hopefully that doesn't get attacked by the slugs. I have moved, like, I had a lot of pots around here last year that was full of, is it going to focus? Busy Lizzie's, lobelia, different things like that. So we've now moved them onto this wall just to give a bit of privacy. Oh, and the dahlia, I forgot about the dahlia. The dahlia's actually started to sprout now. So my dahlia is sprouting. Oh, hang on. Look at that little colocasia that's come out here. Wow. Never noticed that one before. What else have I got to show you guys? I'm sorry if you can't hear me very well. We are having, I think this year's got to be the windiest year ever. So I've got some more plants. I've got some lobelia cardinalis. I think these are Queen Victoria, but as you can see, they have been eaten by the slugs. Everything's getting eaten by the slugs. I've got a new gold lotus banana and a new Enseti to go out the front. Show you a couple of pots. The garden looks a bit of a bomb site at the moment, but it will look nice the sort of first week of June. The ferns are looking nice in this pot with the Montbretia. And my clematis is looking lovely. I did remember because this is my mum's clematis, so I did ask her what it was called, but I can't remember off the top of my head. If I can remember, I will leave it in the description, because I know a lot of people like this clematis. And just bits of pots. We need to fill in these with bedding plants for this year. Yeah, I think everything's looking lovely. I might actually split this because it's getting a little bit out of control. I might put a little clump over the other side, but I'm not 100% sure yet. Yeah, that is a little view of my garden so far at the end of May. I'm excited to see how it all looks by the end of the year. And yeah, I have my final plant delivery coming at the end of this week, so hopefully I'll be able to fill in all the gaps and get everything starting to grow. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, I have got a Tetrapanax Rex coming to fill in this gap. But I just want to I'm going to buy 2 more cannas. I think I'm going to put some cannas there or something, but I've got Impatiens, some Patience, Lobelia, loads of Coleus to put out. So yeah, I'm very excited about how this is going to look this year, and I'm going to finish it there, I think. And thank you for watching, guys. Don't worry, I can't even speak today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. And I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.